Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. What do I have for you today? Another cabbage soup diet. What is it? Quick magic diet soup recipe. And you know something? This is the offshoot from my original cabbage soup, which has been very successful and has helped hundreds and hundreds of people. But you know, I made it now just a little bit simpler, and this is basically for about a 2-day program. Have yourself a good breakfast and eat as much as the soup as you can. And it will burn the calories off very fast. You will feel full and you should feel fit. So let me show you how to put this magic diet cabbage soup recipe together super fast. Okay, get yourself a medium-sized pot and let's add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and keep it on medium heat. And now let's add 1 small diced onion and let's move that around until it sweats really good. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and what I want you to do is I want you to move it around and I want you to fry it and blend it in with the onions. Now add some fresh ground pepper and add as much as you want, whatever makes you happy. But as for the salt, add as little as possible or next to none. Now let's bring the heat up to about the medium high, and I'm adding here about 4 cups of water. Now don't add too much water at this point, because then when we add the cabbage and the other ingredients, I want to check exactly where the water line is. Now let's add 1 bay leaf, and now let's add 1 cube of veggie stock, and please make sure it is low sodium. Here we go. Let's add about 1 medium carrot, of course peeled and sliced, and about 3 cups of cabbage, and here I have them sliced and halved or triple halved, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm adding here 1 can of diced and peeled tomatoes, but if you want you can use about 2 fresh tomatoes diced and peeled. Now I'm adding about a cup and a half of water, because I want the water line just above the cabbage line. Okay, increase the heat to high. Let's put it down on simmer. When it's ready, let's cover it and let it go for about 30 minutes. If you're very sensitive to veggies, then let it go for 30 minutes. Okay, we're back. It's been about 25 minutes, and I did check and the cabbage is tender, so I'm just going to bring the heat down to medium, and now I'm just going to herb and spice it up. Now this is an option. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and this will increase your metabolism in order to burn fat. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and to give it some nutrition and some color, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, chopped roughly or fine, any way you would like. Now let's bring the camera and show you how delicious this is going to be. With the cabbage, the carrot, and the soup base, it is really out of this world. It's very easy on your system. You're going to lose the weight, and it's very nutritious. So now I'm going to lower the heat down to medium. I'm going to cover it and let it go for another 10 minutes, and we are finished. So all I can say now is thank you very much for allowing me to present this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as my other videos. And once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.